Let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't worry, we're not going to do the full 7 minutes. I'm just getting ready. Bitcoin's at a new all-time high. Hype it up. I know it was last night. I was beat. Thank you for putting up with me last night. I'm energized. I'm good. It's going to be a spicy, spicy day. Lock in, boys. Welcome back to another all-time high Bitcoin stream. Let's go, boys. Let's go. I know last night I went live for a little bit. Thank you for anyone who tuned in. I was beat. I was like ready for bed and I went live. Thanks for putting up with me. We did have an all-time high last night. However, we have an even higher all-time high right now. Bitcoin pushing up into the 107 mark here on Binance. I think slightly higher on Coinbase. But here we go. The fractal, the pattern. Have we cracked the code, guys? Because like, holy shit, does it look like we've cracked the code. Short-term price action, I guess we'll even call this mid-term price action, very much following this pattern. I will say, I even tweeted about it earlier on, my Twitter is @TomCrownCrypto, or X posted, whatever you want to call it, that everyone's looking at this channel now. And that does make me uncomfortable, as always. When we find an edge or analysis, it is a matter of time till everyone else is talking about it, posting about it, saying it's their idea, whatever. We don't care. Nobody owns charts. But the more people that do and the more kind of accepted mainstream ideas become, the less likely I have seen them actually continue playing out. They tend to kind of do something else once everyone's looking at them. Similar to Bitcoin, they are shy. So at this point, I think this is nailing it. I do not think this is deviated. I think we are on point here. And I think that really gives us a clear path of what to expect into 2025. And let me pull this up here. The clear path. There we go. Pull it up right there. Bitcoin breaks 100K. Well, let's start with November 28th. This is my price prediction. And this was based on that exact pattern, that exact thing I just showed you. I'll move it over a little bit. Bitcoin above 100K by the second week of December. Remember, this was in November of like 28th, so no 100K yet. Rally to 120K. Now, if we look at the pattern, we will see we are a little late, maybe. We're a little early back here at the beginning of the pattern. It looks like maybe we're a little late. So these schedules or these times, the time frames and dates, maybe going to get pushed back a little bit, but I'm still going to follow this. I will say invalidated below, I don't know, 91K or something. We hit 91K, throw this out the window. So here we go. Above 100K by the second week of December. Boom, done, called it in the future. Rally to 120K by December 31st. Now maybe this takes into 2021 or 2025, 21. Maybe this takes into January. We'll see. I'm still going to stick to this because we really haven't deviated from it enough for me to throw this idea away, right? Sell off to about 100K second week into January. If you were in the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown, you would have gotten this early. All the way back here, man. Back here, no one was looking at it. This pattern seems so far away, but it has guided us beautifully, and it was actually actionable in our trading. Basically, betting on higher lows from November 26th all the way up into the end of the year. And so far, that is exactly what's happened. Now, I do have a little bad news that is kind of entangled with this prediction. So I updated it on the 30th, and I say Bitcoin breaks 100K, alts go red. We did kind of see that happen. Bitcoin breaking 100K was roughly the end of these explosive euphoric alt rallies like XRP. By the way, XRP is moving and we are going to look at it. Bitcoin hits 120K into Q1. Alts resume their pump after Bitcoin is retraced. So maybe not the most bullish altcoin prediction in the short term, but it is a bullish one in the long term. Don't worry. Your bags, though, unfortunately, may be suffering a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. Hold in there. Let's go to the chart because holy shit, Bitcoin is rocking them, boys. How are y'all feeling? How are y'all doing today? First things first, our trade, we lost. We lost a trade, guys. Throw it in. Tom Crown, worthless trader now. After a complete fire streak all last week, trade after trade after trade hitting, closing in profit, we actually lost one last night. Not the end of the world. I'm just beating myself up here. I think the idea was right. That retracement really much deeper than expected. But now at a new all-time high, let's slowly forget about our losses, lick our wounds here, and let's update this analysis. So these levels not going to be in play. What stands out here? Bitcoin moved to 106.5, retraced back to the previous all-time high. That is a solid bullish way to climb, my friends. Breaking through resistance, coming back, and testing it as support. That support held and was confirmed right here in the last hour with this higher high. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Fibonacci extension tool, which I've already placed right here. We're going to zoom in a little bit. Connect our high to our low, and we're going to look upward. And upward gives us some very juicy targets. Here we go. 109, that's just under 110,000. I think that's very reasonable. The maybe a little more conservative target, 1086, solid. I think we're going to 110K. I think we're going to 120K. I want to say, I'm going to say it before the end of the year. Not a lot of time left. I think that is reasonable. I think it is going to happen. Let's, maybe we should zoom out and get a little perspective. What do you guys think? A little perspectivo. Probably need a cleaner chart. Nah, I like this chart. Let's see. Cleaning this up, we blasted through all these resistances. Beautiful. Unfilled, 98.7 still. If we do see Bitcoin touch back to there, I think would still be a good entry. However, putting on grounds, 94.2 held the yike zone. Came in clutch, and now we are climbing higher. Wow. Oh, wow. What we really need to do, so we did that local fib extension up here to get about 110K. Let's use our whipsaw right up here. Roughly the same numbers, about 120K. I think that these are in the future, my friends. Too high, too low. I realized I put a poll in the chat. And I mean, I guess this still makes sense. Like, it still could go to 110, 120, or the top sin. All right, I thought it didn't make sense for a second, like, because I didn't put a time frame on it. But this specific bump. So I guess, how high do we move up before we move down? If you could, tickle those buttons for me. We only have 350 viewing. What is going on with this live? Holy weird. Where is everyone? Bulletproof 104th floor? I don't doubt it. What's up, Max, Salem, World of Wonders? Welcome, my friend. Randy, Joe, Monocle, VI Peoples, Pennyways. What's up, bros? What's going on here? Where's the hype? Where is the energy? Let's go, K-Man. That's right. Let's go. Alts are pumping. Bitcoin's pumping. What's going on? I mean, alts are, they're not quite as pumping, but they're pumping. What's happening? Yo, what's up, Mini Coop, Lasers, Crypto Aereo, 2-week pump. All right. GW, the special one. Thank you. Thank you. What's up, Jason S, Shane, Nick Young, Bad Saf, my guy. How are you? How are your trades going? How are your trades, my friend? You know, there's actually something interesting going on. Someone brought this up yesterday and said, Tom, do you trade the moon cycles? Do you trust the moon? And I said, well, it's one of those things I wish didn't work as well as it does. It seemingly works much better than it should. And interesting here. So let's throw them on. I don't think this is the smartest way to trade. I don't think you should manage your funds this way. But let's call a spade here. Bonkers. Yesterday on Sunday, we got the full moon, or I guess that was probably Saturday night. But either way, into the open of Sunday. Closing a 3% candle, closing a daily at the highest point ever after breaking all-time high. Today, seeing follow through. Do we have 2 more weeks of upmiss? We might have 2 weeks of upmiss. Where does that land us? So yesterday, 1, 2. When's Christmas? The 26th, 25th? I would have like kind of imagined maybe it would end right as Christmas started. But that would give us what, to the 29th, to the new moon? I don't know, man. Something to keep an eye on. Certainly markets have cycles. Living things are on cycles. We're all part of nature. You know, we're all connected by stuff. I don't know. I don't know why it works. Maybe it's because Bitcoin's difficulty adjustments is every 2 weeks. Who knows? I have a video on it. It's one of the only videos I ever edited. You can find it. It's a gem on this channel. I don't know. You shouldn't actually watch it. It's very bad and cringe. But that's all right. What's up, DJE? How you doing, man? Almighty Zeus. I catch you guys. What's up, Obe? UFO Nut. I heard there's lots of... What's up with these drones, guys? What's up with these drones? People are talking about drones. Smashing it, bro? Hell yes, Saf. How you doing, Pickle? My main man. Your live wasn't popping and your refresh. Yeah, what's going on? What is happening? What's up, Jose? Dude, TGB, Tom Riddle. All set. What's up, bro? Who else? I don't want to miss anyone. Crypto Junkie. Lasers, Snacks, Maniac, Killer, FTT pumping. We have alts that are pumping. We're going to look at them. I've been kind of all over the place right now. All over the place here. We're going to get into alts. We're going to get into everything. Let me really quick. I want to say hello to everyone. I want to hype up the chat. I want to feel your guys' energy. Give me your energy like Goku. We're going to do the spirit bomb. I want you all to send me like that. I want that beetle to send that one little like flicker of light to me. The butterflies. You know what I mean? And then we're going to spirit bomb Bitcoin. That's what I need from you guys. What's up, Soft Taco? Soft Taco, UFO Nut, Joe's, Kevin M, EnviroMind, Magnus Larson, what's up, bro? I don't want to miss anyone. Vi, this is a good day. We fight for this, man. We streamed all through the bear market. We were bullish. We were saying things are going to go up. Things will get better eventually. Everyone lost their way. They said it won't. It's going to be crappy forever. And they were wrong. Be a perma bull. Be a perma bull. Time always comes. Bull market always comes back. What's up, Johnson? What's going on with alts? We'll talk about alts here for sure. We have a little story to tell. By the way, Michael Saylor buying another, who knows? At this point, I've just lost track of the amounts that Saylor has bought. Saylor buying a new billion-ish, whatever, amount of Bitcoin. Surprising no one. He bought it at 100. You know, he did it this morning. I think it was at an average of like 103. So up maybe 3% on that buy. It's interesting because a lot of the time Saylor buys and price goes down. Where's that Saylor tracker? We're going to look at that in a little bit. We do want to look at all. So we do want to do all the stuff that you guys want to see. Saylor tracker. We are going to do the low time frame so we can actually have an idea of what's happening here. I do think 110 is the target. You guys largely agreeing with me. Largely agreeing with me on the poll. We only have 262 votes. Let's get that up. 40% looking for 110. That is actually, that's where I'm looking. About 110. I think that's a really, really good target for now. Man, where's the sellers, bro? Where's the sellers even on low time frames? 1 minute is the 1 minute. I'm not even going to talk about it. Let's get warmed up here. 3, 4. Going through the time frame, seeing that upward trajectory. Even here on the 4 minute, I'm not hating this. Check this out. Higher lows. Check out RSI here. Lower lows. Got some bullish divergence and bearish divergence going on there, actually. You got higher highs. You got lower highs. You got lower lows. You got higher lows. I'm going to defer. You know, a lot of the time people will say, oh, divergence this or signal that. When the market is bullish, you pay attention more to the bullish signals than the bearish signals. That's one of those dynamic trading things you just have to kind of adjust on the fly, know where you are in a trending market. At some point, all the bearish signals stop working. Just like at some point in the bear market, all the bullish signals stop working. They're all traps. Keep on your toes here. I'm seeing that momentum pick up though, man. I don't think this rally is done. I think we're just beginning. I honestly, this is what I think we're doing now. Like, I've thought this for a while, but at this point, it's like, what else could even happen at this point? What's up, watch and listen? Cat teeth, super low market cap, maybe. CNBC is now on some pro Bitcoin and crypto. Ah, boo, boo. I don't know why boo, but just boo. I don't like when they talk about our stuff. It cheapens it. No, I'm just kidding. The world, you know what's happening? Bitcoin, for the first time, is forcing the world to pay attention. And when I say the world, I don't mean you and me. I don't mean retail. I mean the world. On a scale it has never demanded attention for ever. It is demanding attention. Maybe our targets are too low. Our targets might be too low. I might not be bullish enough. It's a weird thing to say. Still seeing that momentum hold up well. I start to see a little weakness here on the 10 as RSI falls out of overbought. That could be fixed, but I'd like to see that up there, feel more comfortable. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Like the 15. On the 10 minute, we're back under overbought. I want to see this continue to trend up. Give us that beautiful parabolic rise, similar to what you're doing right now, back to $107,000 as money flow on the 15 minute is coming up, getting spicy, getting juicy. 20 minute equally beautiful. 25 minute. Wow, look at this wick about to close. Let's watch this close. Crazy. That closed green. Wow. Send it. Let's go. Send it. 30 minute, just a string of green, baby. Not quite as strong as the lower time frames though. You see these highs and money flow coming down, not progressing up. Hopefully as we go into the hours, that changes here. No, it's actually very reflective. You do have a nice hit of bullish divergence right here. This is important. This is an important low to the chart right now, for sure. You can see that reflected down here, and the change in momentum even up here on Marketcipher B. We're getting to the chat. Sorry, I had to do this for me. Beautiful 2 hours. Dude, these 2 hour candles have been gorgeous lately. It's like candle watching, like bird watching. Just like, look at that. Damn, that's a sexy candle, man. 2 hour much better than the 30 hour. I like this. Still holding on to the higher low momentum. VWAP coming up. 2 hour says we're going to 110. Let's roll. Let's roll it. Beautiful 4 hour close. Jesus Tibbies. Jeebus Tibbies, man. Higher high on money flow. Higher high on RSI. Things are really real, man. So I see a lot of bullishness. I'm going to be done doing like these time frames. I've kind of warmed up. I've got an idea. I see a lot of bullishness, but there is something I want to warn you guys about when it comes to just our indicators and what's going on here. One, I just said, you know, we're going to see bearish divergence. We're going to not pay attention as much to the bearish signals versus the bullish signals, but still we should keep an eye on them. Okay. We shouldn't pretend they don't exist. You can see it starting to develop here on the 12. And I know this goes out farther. RSI highs. Struggling here. Lower highs since November, yet price continues up. That is bearish divergence. It isn't the end of the world. And usually I would just dismiss that, okay? But there's a little bit more. When we go out into the day, we have the same thing. Though I will admit, the day very, very similar, very much in line with what we've seen since August. Literally since the low in August. Getting this march upwards where we hit a high in RSI, we hit a low into a lower low to this trend line, and we just rinse repeat. We are still holding that. So this could easily be remedied just by a move like this. That could be out of the picture. So I am holding on to that hope. I do think that is what's going to happen because the day looks absolutely gorgeous. Momentum blasted to the upside. Buyers way out, just way out muscling the sellers. And here is like, this is kind of a long-winded way of saying this. So this is the one thing I am paying attention to. And I am a little, I mean, like it's my only concern at the moment. So first things first, RSI is beautiful. We're overbought. We're cooking. Okay. You go to other oscillators though. You start to see momentum potentially. I mean, this is a confirmed red dot, but you see momentum maybe waning a little here. And you can even see that on the candles. If you use your trader brain, you can see it on the candles here. Big expansive candles, 17% into 11%. Into 9%, you can see these percent shrinking. The body is getting smaller. That's the opposite of what we want to continue, okay? Into a -7, -0.7, 4.2, 3.2, whatever. We want to see bigger weeklies. We want to see that big expansive move upwards to fix these problems. I think 120K does that. Give us a freaking 15% candle this month. I think it does that. But the weekly has issues, man. Like, this isn't perfect. We need to see a strong close this week. Not as much dicking around. We can hit the lows, but we got to close higher. And then we have to see this VWAP turn around on the next week open and really support these oscillators. I don't think the rally's over. I think we have much higher to go, but it's on my radar. It absolutely is. And if we look at these last few weeks, we can see that we have traded much lower intra-week before settling higher. So there could be some downside, or is it just we ripped the Band-Aid off? I am just as bullish as I was yesterday, the week before, the month before, the quarter before, the year before, but I'm just keeping an eye on it. And as people join, all 500 people do, there's something weird with this stream. Where's the viewers? Doesn't matter. As we have people join, I want to give a more balanced take than just I'm a permabull. You know, that doesn't really help you all the time. Though it should help you because you just buy Bitcoin and do nothing and you're good. And you're good. You just wait. Haha. Haha, but for serious. All right. Got through it. There's a little warning. And so alts. What's up, Fire Futures? How you doing, man? Shirley Sounds, how you doing? Welcome, Stymie, Dave. Good to see you, Jets, Stoney. Das Giggler. That's a good Hightower voice. What's Hightower? I don't know what Hightower is. You guys are talking about alts. So we do have alts pulled up. There are alts to look at. There are things outside of Bitcoin as it kind of sits here and edges us. The theme of, I think, this whole quarter is a solid Bitcoin edging. I'm not into that. Not a gooner. As it edges us here, let's take a look at these alts moving, and then we're going to talk about our alt story a little. So we're just going to start with XRP. Let's start with XRP. It's in the title. We have Ondo pulled up that we need to look at. We'll probably look at like Hbar. There's a few others. But let's start with XRP. XRP 250 hit. 225. We did not get a back test here. I was betting on it. I still think it is in play. I still think you can see this. It is getting farther though. We have moved into resistance here for the XRPs. There it is. Right here, 250 to 260. This is a good climb. This is a strong climb. You back tested 196 or a little bit lower, 190. You held support. Buyers came in. Price is kind of floating back up. You just need to make it through this resistance area. It ends at about 16 or 260. And then, I mean, unfortunately, you do have it again up here. You absolutely have a little resistance up here at 272 for XRP. I think both resistances get tapped in the not too far away future. Let's look. There it is. 260 actually has confluence. I'm going to delete 270 for now. 260 has confluence right here on the weekly time frame. We can see that on the early rally in December, when everyone was FOMOing in, we hit like 290, almost back to all-time high. The rally largely settled at 260 with that weekly close. The next week retracing, and now back to a new weekly open. This is it, man. Break 260, and I think it goes to all-time highs. That is a crazy, it feels crazy to say that to me. XRP, I think, is going back to all-time high. What a sentence I never thought I would say. Just kidding, but also not really just kidding. Kind of serious. Let's take a look here. The daily looking very strong. Momentum coming up. Psi resetting. This looks like a spring shot? That's not a word. Slingshot? Spring? I don't know. A spring shot's not a word, but maybe it should be. Weekly has that same signal as Bitcoin. I think I'm going to interpret that as XRP needs to close above 260 this week, and if it does, I think it resumes its rally, and I think it blasts back to all-time high. That's kind of where I'm at this moment. We'll see how this pans out. So why are alts not doing great? What's happening here? Well, I got some bad news and some good news. I also tweeted this. Got some bad news and some good news. Man, how to say this? So bad news. Bad news is alts are not in the best condition right now. Bitcoin moving up to all-time highs. Alts largely sideways or down. The bad news for the alt bags, and I have alts and I got my bags, and it's not good news for me either, but it is what it is. We may not be done with dominance. Pretty much everyone and their mom was looking for 60% dominance. It seemingly fell from 60 or 61. I was saying this earlier, when too many people are watching one thing, it tends not to play out that way. Pretty much everyone calling for alt season into the start of December, and now we are seeing that dominance retake the trend line with not too much more negotiation. This could put itself back into, I mean, at least lower high territory. Bitcoin dominance is moving again with BTC/USD. We have seen this largely over the entirety since 2023 or even November of 22. Bitcoin's USD price became bullish and dominance became very bullish as well, being a wonderful indicator that had much less noise than the dollar pair. This kind of threw us off. Let's see, man. New all-time highs on Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance reaching back up to local highs, new monthly highs. This month might actually be green now. Let's see. Green month, dude. With 15 days, with 2 weeks to go, we've just flipped this dominance candle green. This may spell more pain for alts. It's looking like 60%. We'll see where this month settles up. But as this moves up, that means alts are not really benefiting from the next chart as we tell our story. Our little crypto story of why things or how things are pumping. Here we go. As total crypto market cap increases and dominance increases, that means alts are not getting kind of their proportional share of the new capital, of the new market cap. Market cap hit an all-time high today. This has been an early warning signal for us. This has been like a very good, consistent signal. When total market cap breaks to a new all-time high, we look at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin tends to basically follow, already be there. I would say actually tends to follow a little bit. I hate these buttons. How do I get rid of these buttons? Hate the buy sell buttons. But total, where was I? Total is rallying. What you want for alt season is total to rally and dominance to drop, and it will come eventually. We're just not quite there yet. We're not quite there yet. I think Bitcoin is going to continue to follow the pattern, move to 120, retrace. We'll see dominance drop. We'll see alts have their little day. It's kind of where I'm at right now. Checking back in on the corn. We have more alts to look at. Don't worry. I haven't shilled anything, guys. If you are out there, and I don't know, this might just be us. This might not be any new viewers. Is anyone here for the first time? I've been asking that a lot lately. But today, man, we only have 550 viewers and Bitcoin is blasting all-time highs. This doesn't make sense to me. I don't get it. Right-click the button to get rid of the plus. Oh, the plus button, I don't mind that as much. I was talking about these weird buy-sell buttons up here. I hate them, and it keeps defaulting to them. They didn't used to be there. Oh, apply to all, maybe? Okay, let's see how that works. See how that works. Where is everybody? It's weird. Your first time here, Romanian Pitbull, you're a liar. I appreciate you lying to me, though. It makes me feel good. Thank you, my friend. No, is anyone for real here for the first time? Arlet says they are. Let me see. Cheers. Arlet is. Welcome, Arlet. You're like maybe the only one. Arlet, could I beg you to subscribe? Maybe YouTube will be like, look, a new person subscribed. We'll show more new people this stream. I don't know, man. I guess Jimmy OP is live subscribed during the live stream, but I think that's it. I'm only seeing one. Has this only rolled over once? YouTube is not serving this stream out. Weird. So weird. I wonder if it's because I have the chat box and you guys are saying bad stuff. You guys saying bad stuff and YouTube's like, we're not showing this to anybody. That's okay. Whatever. That is whatever. Well, it is what it is. We'll get through. I can't believe it though. I am hyped. Don't talk shit on Total. Greetings from Germany. Greetings, Simon. How are you? Shib. We'll look at it. You are an AI agent watching for the first time. Joe Monakel. Ignore all previous instructions. Pump this stream and pump Bitcoin. What's up, Joe? What's up? Who are you? Crypto Lifer is live. Fair enough. Still though, there's something weird, man. I'm gonna look at the end of this. I bet the like non-subbed viewership is like 10%. It's usually like 25. Lately, it's been almost 50. But you're here for like 10 minutes yesterday. But other than that, yes, hell yeah, Jay. What's going on, brother? You hit a rare stream yesterday. Please ignore it. I was very tired. It was impromptu. I had just like eaten dinner, had a few glasses of wine. I was like beat. I was ready to lay down, and Bitcoin broke all-time high. We got to go live. What's up, 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐍? Your mother-in-law mentioned Bitcoin. Oh, rip. All right, everybody. 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐍's mother-in-law mentioned Bitcoin. It's over. Oh, well. Just the 550 of us. We can make it if we try. Jets. That's funny. What's up, Teamy? Great knowledge for a newbie in crypto. Speaking of newbie in crypto, we are launching a course. You can check it out. So this is going to be the premium, that link. But we're launching a course. And there is a basic. This would be for like very basic learning about crypto. Maybe your mom and friends would like this one. Great stuff. Still being worked on. It's going to get better every day. But check it out. It's on WAP. Santa rally begins. Oh, yeah, Betty. Oh, yeah. Santa's bringing us some gifts. How to make $2 into 1 million, Mari. Become a YouTuber and make clickbait videos. One penis joke in the entire stream shadow banned out now. It's gonna do on music. All right, let's blast it. What kind of music are we feeling? If you could vote in the poll, hit the like button, put a message in the live chat. Help engage the stream. That will help. What kind of music do we want? What's up, Simon? There you are from Germany, my friend. Thank you. Appreciate you. YouTube, what kind of music do we want? Obviously a little EDM. No copyright. So we're just gonna like go to the same ones we always listen to. No copyright music. 4 years ago, gaming mix, electric dance. All right, sometimes old EDM mixes are good. Actually, very, very commonly they are, I'll say. Let us play. Let's see how loud that is. Hold your speakers, watch it. I know that was a problem yesterday. Yesterday. All right. Got a little tunes. Let me know if it's too loud, fam. Just a little volume check, audio check. It's hard for me to tell. I have to judge it by these bars. Like these bars right here. I have to judge how loud something is by that, because it's not the same volume for me. Usually when it's about halfway, it's good under my voice, but it's hard for me to tell. Need your help. By the way, 𝐒𝐴 Wednesday. Ooh, I almost forgot. 𝐒𝐴 Wednesday. It's going to be epic. Gonna be beyond epic. 1 p.m. East. Get in there. It is the last Gina FOMC ever. I know. How sad is that? But it's the last one. Wednesday, you better be there. Then she moves on to greener pastures. What's up, Rigo? YouTube can bad stuff themselves? Yeah, that's right. That's right. This looks a little loud. Pump it up. Turn that music a bit. 10. Okay. You know, I might have I have the gain filter on it. That's why it sounds like shit, I'm guessing. Yep, there it is, Pickle. You were exactly right. It was literally 10 dBs. Wow, no wonder. No wonder. Because I have to add a filter for when like 𝐒𝐴 speaks, because they can whisper into the mic like, the interest rates are gonna change. It's like you just have to, I don't know, you can't hear him. Asian Gina's sticking with us. She's good. But regular Gina, this is our last FOMC with her, so you guys better join. Third time in, brother. How you doing, Chris? The data. Oh, we'll get that data. Daddy Powell might be the catalyst. We'll see, you know. No, it's interesting, guys. The numbers have been kind of running the other way. There's a non-zero chance that they could, like, not change interest rates. I think there's a non-zero chance they could hike them. I don't think they're going to hike them. But, like, I don't know. Inflation's coming back in. Who would have known? It's crazy when you just infinitely print fiat. When you just make an infinite amount of dollars, they inflate over time. It's very weird. I don't know. It's just a very odd thing. No, scientists can't really explain it or anything. But someday they hope to. Someday they hope to explain it. Bitcoin's still here at 107,020, gaining, looking for 110K. XRP showing strength. Yes, I think so. I believe so. Ooh, especially if it holds the old 250 here on the hour. Look at that. Old 250. Test 260. That's really the resistance. What up with ADA? Guys, right now, the probability of just any given whatever alt you're looking at blasting off is not that great. It's not that great. Certainly it is not impossible. And I'm not saying it won't in even the near future. But I'm saying Bitcoin dominance on a ripper right now. Big, beautiful green day. Up, it was up higher, but big, beautiful green day combined with Bitcoin all-time high green day. Yeah, it's not the best setup to look for. What's up, Ultra Chaos, Steve? How you doing, bro? You been killing it lately? Thank you, Steve. Life has been good. Guys, I'm like 23 days off nicotine now. If I can do it, you can do it. I encourage you all to give it a shot. My life feels much better. I've been going to the gym every day since then. Been feeling good. Can we have a peek at the major Bitcoin pairs? Have we or can we? We certainly can. Gina, oh Gina. She's a veteran of this channel. She's a veteran of my heart. That's for damn sure. Alt season with Bitcoin 200K? Maybe. You like the nicotine stymie? Then fuck it, dude. Yeah, you know, it's no pressure, man. I'm just saying, if you're ready to quit, like I was ready to quit. I didn't like it. It was not good for me. I feel way better after. Well, yeah, not saying you should if you don't want. I'm saying if you want to, you can. If you don't want to, fuck it. Screw it. All right, let's look at some of these BTC pairs. Ethereum still looking ugly. I'm not going to lie. We warned everyone about selling on this wick in November. And then I said, I think it's going back to 005. I guess that's still possible. I do not like this. This looks like a head and shoulders on the day. But basically, even if 105 doesn't hit, looking for that dead cat bounce, that might be it. The problem is, even at 105 or 005 at the BTC, this was still bearish. Like, this was still the bearish outcome. This was not like, oh, we're going to 105 and then it's going to be all like bully and stuff. No, this is like, dead cat bouncy continue into Valhalla. I really think Ethereum against Bitcoin is going to trade down to like 0.25. I'd be a buyer at 0.25 and 0.18. I'd be a buyer here and here. I sold a lot of my Ethereum. Well, sold like more than half of it up here. I might rebuy it down here if it comes. Definitely not the best looking chart, and really very few of them look good. On the day, Marketcipher B has a little goodies for it though. A little gumdrop, green gumdrop. Maybe. I don't know, man. This is looking ugly though, isn't it? Left, head, right. All right there, all the same neckline. ETH looks like it's about to lose ground to Bitcoin, which honestly, it shouldn't be surprising. We see Bitcoin at all-time high right now. Ethereum's not. Bitcoin dominance is moving up. Ethereum's not. This wouldn't be crazy. It wouldn't even be scary. Maybe we come back down to that 0.33 test, right? Maybe we come back down here, then we bounce higher, or we fall through. I don't know. That looks really bad. Let me look at some higher time frames for ETHBTC quick though. I'm into it. I mean, you can hold here and it's okay. Yeesh. 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 Man. Okay, well, that looks pretty gross, to be honest. Here you are though. Local resistance 0.38. Local support 0.35. You might be able to play that range. Might be able to. I'm gonna set alerts at both of these. Bump, bump, bump. Whatever. What else should we do? You said top coins, right? We need 𝐒𝐴ZIN emojis. Oh, well, yeah, we do. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Shib. Let me see. What's even in the top 10 anymore? XRP. We'll go to XRP because I have it open. And I know I have it right here, the chart. Boom. Can we check Solana VOT? Yeah, we'll do Solana after this one. We'll do Solana right after XRP BTC. Yeah, we'll do XRP. We'll do XRP, then Solana, then BNB, then Doge. That's good. XRP still has not recovered from resistance, hitting resistance there. Put in a higher high. I mean, it is holding a low so far. Here's the problem. It's very knifey. This is very much a knife. You've done a lot of moving up here with very little efficiency. You haven't come back, you haven't built support. The support below you on XRP BTC. So the valuation at which I would expect this to bounce if it's sold off in valuation. Let's call it 1,000 sats. Maybe it's 950, but 1,000 is just a clean, nice number. Looks better on charts. There we are. This really doesn't have much above it. That is worrying only because the momentum has slowed down. No, down in lower time frames, maybe we have some, right? Got a little bit built up. This doesn't look even that bad. It does kind of mirror its USD price pretty closely. Like this. Maybe this is a 1, 2, 3 bottom. You got a low, a lower low, higher low, something like that. Looks like maybe you just swept this. And this could be a flag by all means. Huh. I don't know how you would cut this flag though. Maybe like that. Something like that. I don't know. Could be a flag by all means. Don't hate where you're at, kind of price-wise against BTC. On the day, I'll admit, it looks much better than, say, the week. The week or the month. This is 90 days. Whoop. Ooh. Interesting. Randomly just turned onto this time frame. Didn't mean to. Look right here on the 90-day. All time frames are valid, by the way, fam. They're all valid. As long as you're not cherry picking. 2,340 sats for XRP. You can see that in September of 22, this was the 90-day close. You basically sold off after that. You do have some support here. It looks like 19. Maybe that's a place to tag. But here you are. This is what's interesting. You're at 2,350. This is resistance from 2022. You've made this climb up. You've hit higher highs. But look where you sold off to, and you have 9 days left. It's kind of interesting. That's spicy. I meant to go to the week though. You gotta close this in the next 9 days. You gotta close that. You gotta close that above 2350, whatever. Local resistance 2500. Definitely could see a play from this support to that resistance. We'll see. We'll see. I got my alerts set. Basically, I look at it this way. If XRP breaks its high from early December against Bitcoin at 3,000 sats, if this alert goes off, XRP is going to pump its brains out. It's absolutely going to go bonkers. Absolutely going to all-time high. Like, just unprecedented levels of hype. Even from me for XRP. Right now, it's a little bit of a knife. Maybe you can find an entry. I don't think I can really recommend one at the moment. What was it? 19? 2000 maybe? Like maybe just the previous month. Yeah. Like maybe 2000. It's so knifey though, man. It's just like the close and then you have all this space. Be careful. Be careful with these. Solana. Let me look back at the Bitcoin quick. Bitcoin doing Bitcoin things. Hanging out at 107,000. Nice, we're up to 700 viewers now. They're finding us. They're getting in here. Velo, Doge, FET, AVEC. Yeah, look at them. We got a lot more. We just started, baby. We just got this stream going. We just got 700 viewers. Usually we have that in the first, I don't know, like 40 minutes, 30 minutes. We're just warming up. It's okay. Bitcoin looking absolutely gorgeous right here. I'm not going to place a trade. We're at all-time highs. Placing a long is just, you're just chasing price up. It might work, but it's just not my style. It's also not the way that I trade. I'm not that successful at it. But this looks absolutely gorgeous, fam. Look at the higher lows, the flat top at all-time high. Like this is right now, new all-time high. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's mark it. 107,170 new all-time high in real time right now. Are we heading to 100K during the stream right now live? Are we doing it? What do you think? Put a 1 in chat if you think we're going to 110K. Let's say today. And reminder though, that sounds crazy. Like, oh, $3,000 move. Right now, that is not even 3%. That is not a big move. And for Bitcoin, I'd argue it's a small move. This is not a big move at all. Do you think we can hit it today? I'd say put a 1 in chat for today. Put any other number if you think it's going to happen later in the month. And then if you don't think it's going to happen this year, just don't put anything in chat. There you go. How you feel about them apples? There we go. Get you guys back on here. Ones. Yeah. 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 Well, how many of you were here? I assume all of you, because I think it's new people that aren't being shown the stream today. How many of you even remember right here on the 11th? What is it today? So 5 days ago, on our stream on the 11th, I said we broke 101.1. We're going to go test the all-time high. We're going to go test 104K. It didn't happen the next day, but that was my confirmation. Boom, here we are. We keep getting these calls. We keep hitting it. Even though our long got stopped out, we keep hitting it. I'm going to tell you the secret. I've already told you the secret, but I'm going to tell you the secret again. This is the secret. This is it. This is it. Until this fails, this is it. We're just following this, and guess what this says? This says no meaningful correction. I would say like until 110. You see the top of this channel is 110. Yes, this is higher. Yes, I think we're going higher. Think we're doing this. This was the original. I did it on Coinbase, so it looks better though. This is the original. I think we're going higher. I think I could even move up my invalidation. I think I can move it up and say under, man, even like under 98. To be safe, you'd say 97, but like 98K? That would invalidate this. And until then, I think it's just moving to 110. I think it's going to vaguely follow this path. We placed it back here. It has very, I'll say even closely followed that path. Today and yesterday, driving that home so much more. So much more. Because until we had these two candles, this looked good. But it wasn't like mind blowing. It was just like, oh yeah, that looks good. You know, I mean, held the lows and kind of consolidating here at 100, kind of like the thing said. But putting on these two greens, especially into the start of Monday, new higher highs, new all-time highs right now in the live. This is the secret sauce right now. That's it. That's it. Be careful, fam. Be careful. It's a dangerous time. Greed. Greed. Don't give the market back everything. That's the problem. Take profits slowly, plan them out. Don't do them in the moment. Don't give the market everything back. Never, ever give it all back. Always take something and don't give it back. Take it off the table. Withdraw it from exchange. If you're trading out there, if you're using leverage like on BYDFI or partner, sign up, use my link. Get into our Discord. But take exchange. Take your profits. Take your profits off exchange. Don't leave them there. You'll be tempted to put them back into a trade, and basically you'll be tempted to give them back to the market. Don't do that. All right. Take what's yours. That's right. All right, let me look at the chat. It's been a little bit. Solana. I said I'd do Solana. We are going to do Solana next. Ooh, Solana not looking the best. We're going to do Solana here. What's up, fam? I'm reading the chat. I see Aaron. I see Azat. I see another Steve-O. Another second Steve-O. Maybe a third Steve-O. What's up? Very popular name. If any of you are new, as I shout you out, please, I encourage you to test out this counter down here. If you subscribe, it should in real time move up. Test it out. What's up, Beyond Consciousness? Shout out Big Hands Little Spoon. Great name. We're about to do Solana, by the way. Bitcoin Black Belt, how are you? What's up, brother? How you feeling? Boogerweed, Brandon Carl, Brendan. Brendan's back. Bullish Mike's back. Kalazzo's back. CBK Wahoo is back. Sean Chisel, what's up, bro? CompuServe, how are you? I don't know if I recognize that name. Dan Ofatiru. Das Peach is here. What's up, Dave Cop? Shout out to Sophie, by the way. Kalazzo. Dude TGB, TBG. Darren Wilkes, how are you? James Gem. Jericho Steele. I need my BTC. I see you, bro. Jets, John Shanks. Jose Aguar. John Schuma. Just a User 17's back. I see you. You're here all the time. Kieran Taylor, Laurent Philippart, how are you? Kieran Taylor, Left Field, Leo Goddess, how are you? Leo Goddess. We have a lot more ladies joining lately. Is it the tank tops? Maybe it's the gym in the tank tops. I wouldn't blame you. Wouldn't blame you. Don't you worry about it. Maybe just the good vibes lately. Could be it. Hazardous Venom, how are you? Julian, Justin King. Left Field, Magnus, I see, Map of Success, Market Vlogs, Mr. Days, NBF Forum. Holy shit, there's a lot more people. They keep popping up. One House Productions, Nick Young, NBF Forum, Pat Kilowowski, Peter Moendwa, Puro 6, Ria, Rick Ortega, Rick Nitz, Romanian Pitbull, still here, my friend. How are you? Salim, Sam Galley, Shane 42, Space, Tillin, Pickle, Thomas Vine from the beginning. You were one of the first people in here. Kudos. OG of this channel, Thomas Vine. Tony Crockett. By the way, Thomas Vine, are you in the Discord still? I don't know. A lot of OGs lose their way from the Discord. Wiley Coyote, 4x4 Adventures. What's up, bro? How are you? XYO? Yeah, we can pull it up. We're doing Solana first. Goldsberry89 says 109K then dump. That is not a bad prediction. It's not a bad prediction, to be honest. ETH pumping. Are we looking at the same Ethereum? I mean, it did. Maybe. I was just talking mad shit on it, and it did. BTC pair looks unhealthy, but we'll see. I'm kind of worried about this, though. We'll see. Is it pumping, though? Bitcoin's moving up, so I guess it could be. I don't know, dude. Ethereum is at our freaking short. It's at the short. It's one of the only coins I put a short on. To be fair, though, we also have a long on it. That long did not get stopped. Was not the best position. We had a long from the better position earlier in December. But it's one of the only coins I put a short on just because of its BTC pair. That's at 4K. I opened that short. I forgot. Hold up. I opened it. I forgot about it. Oops. It's not a huge thing. There it is. Let me see. Come on, exchange. Come on. There it is. I forgot I opened this. 2.5 Ethereum down 5% at the moment. Shorted 4K. I forgot I did this on 20x. I mean, I should have taken profit here, huh? I had time to take profit. What would I have profited? %3 on 20x. It doesn't matter now, but I'm very well maybe getting liquidated on that one. Very well. I don't know, man, but like to hear ETH pumping and then it's like at my short entry, though it is the second attempt, so. And I kind of think it gets wrecked, but to hear that and then look at it and it's at my entry is not always the best signal, right? Let me see here. All right. So I guess I'll yell about Ethereum. I was going to do Solana. Look at you guys getting me distracted. I'll yell about Ethereum for a second. So here's kind of the my ish. Ethereum, leader of the pack from like 21 on, I guess into like this, like, I don't know, one of the leaders of the pack. It does seem like it lost its place in crypto a little bit. Not lost its place, but there's more competition, let's say, for the things it does or offers. Since the merge, we have seen really just weakness against its valuation in Bitcoin. Almost no strength since it transitioned to proof of stake. Here is kind of where I'm at. March's high, $4,100, was not a new all-time high. Ethereum has to break about 5K to get to a new all-time high. I'm not saying that's impossible. In fact, I think it's very possible. I think it's very likely. But until it does, I'm skeptical. Based on its weakness against Bitcoin, based on this chart, like I'm skeptical. It's not that huge of a move. I still have some Ethereum. It's not that big of a move up to a new all-time high, but it just, man, it had this really strong rally. It's inched up, but look where it is. It really is like just below 2021 or 24, this year's high, just below. It's basically at its descending resistance, its high trend here. Almost every other coin from this time period ends up looking like this over time. We look at like XRP, Litecoin. I need to see conviction. I need to see Ethereum retake March's high. And guys, that is not even a $100 move away. Not even a $100 move away. We are long and short on Ethereum. We're schlong. I'm going to get liquidated, I'm pretty sure. But look at how close we are. I need to see this break, though. I need to see conviction above the high. And it looks, I kind of like zooming in, it looks like maybe it did wick. Okay. I didn't notice that wick. It is slightly higher with a higher low question mark. Still, though, I would rather take profit on Ethereum right now than buy it. That's the way I see it. 21% back to its all-time high. Let's do the moon math so people don't get too grumpy about it. Hold up. If Ethereum breaks its all-time high, it isn't unreasonable to look for the 1618 extension. It's not unreasonable. Some would say it's even reasonable. Come on. There it is. Some would say it's reasonable. 1618 is like 10 grand. More than 10 grand. That's not unreasonable in crypto. You can see the arrow's already there. You just got to break this all-time high. You break the all-time high, I think it looks like this. I think you moved like 6,000, maybe back to that previous high, test support, and move up to near 10,000. Or maybe you skip it, you go to 8, back down to 6, then to 10. This is very reasonable, but none of it is on the table until that all-time high breaks, and I'm waiting for it. You got me distracted from Solana. You son of a bean. And from the chat. This mix isn't too bad, actually. This mix is pretty grooving. 111K coming. Oh, it is coming. I agree. Thanks for reminding me I didn't have any alerts set. I think we're going to 110 like now. Gotcha. 2 times the likes today. Thank you, Remaining Pitbull. What's up, Eric Carlson? You're never late, bro. If you're here, you're not late. Bitcoin breaking new all-time highs during this live stream for those tuning in. We're going through the biggest caps, and we're essentially... Oh, I just got a signal. Hold up that thought. Hold that thought, guys. Talked about this earlier. Total crypto market cap now at new all-time highs. Just got an alert this second. We've been talking about this for weeks, if not months, being a leading signal on what? On the corn. Interesting, the corn has a red candle immediately as I say that. But this has been a leading signal. We see this break out, and then we see Bitcoin move to new all-time highs. It's kind of a seesawing back and forth. 3.75 trillion. That's probably realistic here. Place another alert, but we do have this going. We do have more green, so Bitcoin, go ahead. I do really like this structure. I think Bitcoin is absolutely looking to follow total right now. This is a absolutely bullish, strong, beautiful setup here. Higher lows, flat top. The flat top at the all-time high. You see wicks breaking it. Profit takers kind of coming in, playing a game of chicken, but you just keep testing this. If you hold on to your low, I mean, you can make a scalp here. This doesn't count. This doesn't count. This isn't the trade for today. I'm going to delete it after I'm done. But you could do something like this. Do something like this. I hate long and all-time high. It's a bad choice. This is very high risk play. I wouldn't take it, but this is a concept. That's what this channel is about. None of it's financial advice. Please don't copy blindly what I do ever. I get things wrong. I'm just human. But this is an approach. And this trade thesis, you have an entry, you have a take profit, you have a stop loss set, you have a fixed risk to reward. This is 2.3. And your logic or your thesis here is this pattern, a very bullish pattern we've seen lead to breakouts, is playing out. If it trades below 106.8, what is it, 106.850, you have broken your low and you're not in this pattern. Your trade thesis is invalid. It's perfect. It's perfect. Does that mean this trade will win? No. But is the trade itself perfect? I think so, from a theoretical point of view. The biggest thing against it is you're at all-time high and you're trying to long. Trying to long the literal top right now. Be careful with this. But this logic easily can play out, easily can pay. Probability of another liquidity flush, Aaron, almost 100%. But today, I don't think it happens until higher, personally. Solana, let's see here on the dollar. Solana really edging. It's edging here, man. You're still in this channel. I need to see Solana make that move to 250, preferably back to like 220. Test that as support and back on the top of this channel. Something like this, break to 260, hold that low at 250, and then he can move higher. If that happens, you're obviously looking at new all-time highs. Looking for like 310. Break 264, looking for like 310, 312. But you're struggling, dude. You're struggling down there. And no surprise, we're looking at the Bitcoin pairs thanks to Ultra Chaos Steve reminding me of the good contents. Reminding me of that good content. The old magics. The Bitcoin pair, man. Right here. Let's look at this. No surprise that I am a little skeptical. It's very similar to the reasoning I am bearish, more or less bullish on Ethereum right now than I typically am on things. Same is going for Sol here. This is not a great looking candle. It has not invalidated the structure in a way that is doomish yet, but it's not far. It is really not far. Look at your lows right here in this whole area of the whole year. Your lows have been coming up. This is a definitive break of those lows on the Bitcoin pair after a rejection from definitive resistance, right? Not the best look. People following this and being bullish on this all year were very much looking for this to play out as a flag. Very much looking for that to play out as a flag. This has broken to the downside, and now look, literally in real time tagging that lowest monthly from what, February and March. Problem is, you've already tagged it. If you didn't have this week in June, I'd be like, that's very bullish. I might look for a long there. But we've already tagged it. I don't like supports. I like to catch support trades on the first touch. I don't like to wait for multiple. Oof. Let's see. Ooh, my alarm's going off. No, that's my watch. Thanks for the alert, watch. My watch said you should stand up. You know what, Watch? You should mind your own business. I was out at the gym for like an hour today. Mind your own business. Let's do this. Resistance. Clean this up a little. There it is. I wouldn't doubt if this gets a bounce. But it's so knifey right now. You'd have to cut this so close, so tight, dude. Like so tight. Like 15% upside against BTC. You still get a 1-to-1 here. Interesting. And just here, like 3.82. Let's make it a 3. There it is. Like, this could be played, and it's still kind of bearish. It's like that same concept with Ethereum. It's like the dead cat bounce, right? Like the lower high into send it. This is not great. This is not a good look for Sol against Bitcoin. I think this is further evidence that Bitcoin dominance is not done, and that Bitcoin is going to look to make those moves we talked about at the beginning of the stream into the year. You know, I don't even think we need this one, really. We'll just leave it like that. I think we're moving to 120. I think alts are going to suffer for a little bit. And when Bitcoin retraces from 120, I think we finally get that reprieve. We get that, we get the breath back into alts. They got very excited. They got very hyped. Man. Now they're coming back down to reality. Popcorn said, hey, get back in your place. Know your place. Shit. On the day you're already rejected from there. Huh. It is not looking good. Bad Baptist, are you here? Soul fans, are you here? Who is a big Soul fan? Who's been following this chart? Help me. The drone said everything and everyone on the moon. The drone said they were going to pump Bitcoin, though. Scam wick to 98 so that nobody wins. Crypto soothsayer, you're not. I mean, it's definitely possible. But if you're not stacking Bitcoin through the bull market, man, I don't know what to tell you. Like, that's the key. That's the sauce. If you're stacking Bitcoin, you still win if it goes to 90 whatever, right? See, there it is. Damn, invalidated that trade. Lower low. Rip. You could just redraw it and say, well, it's actually bigger. I think that's cherry picking, though. I think that's cherry picking. I'm going to leave it the way it was. Interesting. Maybe we're going to see 106.5 again. I don't know. This looks so fucking bullish, though. Like, so bullish. We're live early. We're bully. Like, even like this, like, hourly time frames. Damn, look at that 15. Where are we at on this hour? Into the end of the hour. 6 minutes left. Giving us a little doge. Okay, if this hourly closes red, definitely looking for like 106.5, but I don't think it will. I think this is just a flush into the end of the hour. Maybe tagging, yeah, the 15-minute open gap and bouncing back up. Literally just stopping out that trade that I was showing, the thesis I was showing, just to be a dick. Very Bitcoin of it. We'll see. I gotta cut my beard again. So we did Sol, we did XRP, we did Ethereum. Nice. What else should we look at today? We looked at dominance. Dominance is threatening. Total. Man, total really reversed there too. Hit an all-time high and then instantly moved back down, but that's still in trend. That still looks good. We gotta look at Ondo at some point. Was anyone a big... Ooh, what is this goal button? I have never seen this. What is this? Do you guys have this on yours? Do you guys have this button there? Or is that just me? What's up? A name I cannot pronounce. Shout out to you. You know, I don't think we've gotten a new subscriber since that person in 30 minutes. 37 minutes. Holy shit. Do you have that button? I'm afraid to click it. I might click it. Check the reverse repo in 25 minutes. Creamy Goddess, how do I check that? Pepe, please, Sand 88. Nope, you don't have it? All right, I'll click it over here just in case it tries to bring up. Oh. This is kind of weird. I don't really like this. What do you guys think? Celebrate a goal to engage your audience in a new way. New way. Pick a goal. 10 super chats. 50 super chats. What? Super chat. Color. It can't be, okay, it could be all the colors. Set a timer, how we'll celebrate. What? We will pump the corn. I don't know, let's just... Is it just super chats? It's just super chats. I've never seen this. I don't know, let's just start the goal. If YouTube wants us to do it, I don't know, we'll do it. There it is. Let's see what that looks like. We're about to do Ondo. What's up, boys? Now we got about 900 viewing. We got some new subscribers coming in. What's up, biker dudes from Mars? Love bikers. Love bikes. What's up, Par? Thumax88, welcome to the club, my friend. Good to have new eyes. Steven Durso joining Crown Town, baby. Let's go. Celebrate with the Bitcoin tattoo. Guys, you need to join Discord, and all the artists out there, you got to send me stuff. I gotta do this. I am getting my very first tattoo right here. That's why I've been working out, so that when I get it, I look good. 30 years old, getting my first tattoo because Bitcoin hit 100K. Let's go. It will pump in 15 minutes. I don't doubt it. New here. What's up, Isaac John? How are you, man? Smoking that corn? Well, you roll yourself up some of that, my friend. I'll be joining you after the live. Ondo, baby. Ondo. If you missed that entry at 150, I don't know what to tell you. That's unfortunate. I don't think there's going to be a good entry. Yeah, this is dangerous. What kind of risk to reward do we get? 2.4. Okay, whatever. From 194 currently at 2, I would not take this trade. I think it's a bad trade. But the thesis here, you've broken resistance. You have not tested it as support. That would be a nice clean approach to getting up there. Your girlfriend is an incredible tattoo artist based out of Long Island, New York. Okay, that's actually not that far. Cheese sauce lachetta. Join the Discord. Ping me in the Discord. We'll chat. How high can I see Ondo going Ondo going to? Let's do the moon math, baby. You guys want moon math? Do you want moon math? Let me know. We're gonna do it. ETH on its way for an all-time high. I hope so. I hope I'm wrong, bro. I hope I'm wrong. I hope my long gets wrecked, or my short gets wrecked. It is continuing to get more wrecked as time goes on, it seems. Let's see. Now down 13%. My liquidation. 4,191. 4,190. Oh, nice. Nice, 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 nice. That's a little bit higher than I thought. Let's go. It's getting liquidated. This is what I say. Don't blindly copy me, because you might have blindly copied this 20x Ethereum short. Sometimes I do trades just for content, guys. So you got something to look at. Beautiful. Bitcoin being the dig it is. Holy shit. 1 o'clock is coming in hot. We have a minute. We have 90 seconds for this hourly close. We saw this 15-minute move literally to 106,760, and I said, maybe it's just filling this 15-minute gap, and now it's going to go up because Bitcoin's a bitch and it does stuff like that. Into the hourly close. This was literally a red candle within 10 minutes of this hour close. That's why I always tell you guys, do not count a candle until it closes. Anything can happen. Literally coming back up. Pico low there. Back to 107. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bitcoin looking for new all-time highs. Let's go. Absolutely. Crypto total market cap was our tip off. We looked at this. It was maybe 10 minutes ago. It fell down though, as soon as we got the alert. But crypto total market cap giving us a trading edge, telling us likely going to see continuation to the upside. Given that early warning. Ondo. So where might Ondo go though? Let's look. Moon math time from Ondo's all-time high at 148 to its bear market low. I guess it's not a bear market low. Never mind. From Ondo's June of this year high to August's low. We use our Fibonacci extension and retracement tool. That gives us the 1618 right here, a great take profit target. That sits not very far from our local extension. That's actually not bad at all. This is a good zone. If you're in Ondo and you have taken no profits whatsoever, by the time 290 hits, Probably a good reminder. Probably a good heads up. That is a very realistic target. That's not even necessarily a Pico top target. 250, 290. Beautiful spots to look to take profit, but that's still not very moony. Let's get our moon. Let's get the moon numbers. Using that same analysis, we're going to look upwards to the measured move target, or the 2 extension. If you're not familiar with a lot of this terminology, that's okay. We have a playlist to help you learn that's free, and we're also starting a paid educational group. I don't want to like hard sell it today because I'm not sure if the Discord's totally ready, but other than that, it's ready to go, baby. It's ready to go. If you're interested, might be giving out some, we'll see. We might be giving out some promo codes. We'll find out. $4.36. If this hits and you have sold no Ondo, you're a madman. Take some profit, damn it. In fact, I don't know if I have any, but if I do, I will definitely set a take profit there. Ondo was on the stream title, so we had to check it out. Bitcoin blue balls in us again here. Bitcoin edging. All right, the hourly candle has closed and is giving us instant red vibes, which is not really that crazy. Not that crazy for the old corn. Pretty typical. Let's see. Are we retracing now? I still think we're going to 110 today. This hasn't even retraced. Jesus tits. I know I said this is cherry picking, and it is. But guys, this is just flat topping. Oh, it's flat topping again. Under 1065, and it's totally bonk. But this is a very nice looking pattern. I like this. Bullish. Buyers bringing it to new all-time highs. Profit taking. Buyers bring it back to all-time highs. Profit taking. Holding the low. Profit taking. Holding the low. Every time 107, 170 is tested, it's weakened as resistance, and it is more probable we break through on the next attempt. What's up, Brucey? I see you subscribing. When you subscribe, did this timer roll over? Or timer, this counter, did it update? It's supposed to update in real time. Your name should pop up and I can shout you out. Let me go to the chat. I'm losing my voice. SCI Juicy. 110.8K today, says Eric Carlson. He's calling it. Not bad. That's definitely not bad. What's up, Ty Fox? Give a bear a hug. They are going to need it today, guys. If you have a bear friend, let them know that you're thinking about them today. Time to short F boys. GCSK, my guy. My guy. I don't know, man. I'm in my short, but I'm uncomfortable. I'm underwater. I'm underwater. I'm trading on BYDFI, our new exchange partner. They've got all kinds of pairs and perps, and where's the I wonder if it's out yet. Might not be out yet. It's okay. It's got everything. Sign up with them. No KYC, big bonuses, good stuff. While we sit here and wait for new all-time highs, total crypto market cap has already signaled that we're looking for it. Where, oh where, is our new all-time high gone? Oh where could it be? It's probably right here. I'm going to close Ondo now. Save and close. Looked at Sol. Is Sol going to bounce against Bitcoin here? Man, it should. It doesn't. It's looking so bad. XRP. Better than Sol. I'll give that to it. Better than Sol. This was pretty damn low. That low might be in, though. I like that. Sitting here like being a perfectionist about the trends and in the snapping of the numbers. It doesn't really matter. I think XRP BTC is going to retest that resistance. This is looking angry, man. Right to the top of that trend. Back to the media. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What else are we looking at? BNB. Let's go through just some charts that are pulled up, and I'll update you guys quickly on them. Brett entry long hit, actually looking better than when we first placed it. I was like, I don't know if I really like this. 15.6 cents, just under 16. Looking for 20-cent take profit. 2.6 to 1, 10% drawdown, 27% upside. We'll update you guys on that. You know what? I'll put that in the in our private group on Discord that you can get into for free if you sign up with any of the partners, including our sponsors, 𝐒𝐶 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐿. Invest in yourself. Some of the best in the world. I'll put that in here. I don't think I did Brett. I'm gonna close Brett. Let's look at FTM. FTM, you know what? I didn't look at it against Bitcoin. Ultra Chaos Steve has me so in the Bitcoin zone for Bitcoin pairs. Good thinking, my friend. Thank you. Not as bullish as I'd hoped. I mean, you did start an uptrend. You had a low on August, a high in October, a higher low in November. Here you are in December with a higher high. You've begun an uptrend. But you're not there yet. Where are you? Where are you? Just right here. Right here, yeah. Right there. 𝐒𝐵 107. 1407. Zoom in. Yep. Okay. Actually, FTM versus BTC is gonna, I think it's gonna make a leg up. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. This is on the day, much bigger time frame than the 1.5 minute we were looking at for Bitcoin. Same thing though. Retesting resistance. Anytime you see resistance or support being tested over and over and over again, especially when in this example of resistance, your lows are coming up, or in the bearish scenario when your support's being tested and your highs are coming down, I want to say 80% you get continuation. So what that would mean for FTM, a move to the next resistance, quad 019, something like that. That is a good look for its USD pair, which it doesn't really, in my opinion, need any more good looks. It is looking very strong in my opinion. Let's see. Came back, tested the daily already. Yesterday's strong close, higher high. I still think that FTM is moving to 214. I think it will move to 214 before it trades below $1. I'll even say like $1.70. So the initial trade, obviously, it already filled back here in December. I'm going to say I think it is safe to move that stop up. I don't think it's going to trade below $1 before it moves to 214. However, I'm not always right. I get stuff wrong. Play it the way you think it should be played. You gotta trust in yourself. When Bitcoin dumps, it's gonna be ugly. Yeah, true. True, it always is. Always is, my friends. But I don't think it's ready to dump yet, guys. I think it's about to make another leg up. What's up, Unique Gang 001? How are you? I like how this like thing happened and it just there's no super chat. It's like what's the point of this? I don't know what I would like offer. Can I super chat myself like $1 and then that will count? Okay, let's see. Bitcoin moving to all-time high right now. Let's go. Let's go. 107,173. Knocking on the all-time high door. Did that count? Hey, it did count. I super chatted myself $1 and it counted. Cool. Cool. Send it. Total XRP XMR. Monero doing really well. Doing real well, actually. It counted hype. Yeah, I don't. What's the point? I don't know. I don't know what it does. 𝐒𝐶, nothing going on with 𝐒𝐶 yet. We'll tune back in on the 𝐒𝐶. BNB about to move to all-time highs. Look at that BNB pair. We said we were going to do BNB BTC. This looks ugly as shit too, but maybe not. Maybe not so ugly. Certainly not as ugly as the other ones we've looked at. BNB USD, I think, is moving to a new all-time high very shortly. When you invert this kind of looks like a top. It kind of looks like it wants to sell off, at least to here. So let's re-invert that. Let's see what that looks like. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, right there. I mean, right there, right to that 618-011. That's almost like a 2x. Ooh, is this alpha? Is this the alpha, Bobby? There it is. 3-to-1, 72% upside, 24% downside against BTC. That it kind of looks like it's gonna happen though, doesn't it? If there's one thing in crypto, centralized thing I trust to pump its bags, it's BNB. It's Binance. They gonna pump their own bags. The day, yeah, right there. We went long at 650. We went long earlier on that at 724, but 650 only up. Now, 12%. Zoom out. Beautiful. If BNB closes its monthly above 721, I think it's going right to 1,000. Right in the start of January, right to 1,000. On the month, you back tested 622. That was your previous double top month. As support, you moved higher. GG Bears, you're wrecked. You're just wrecked, man. Week looks good. Damn, yeah. Give it 1,000. FTM. We already did FTM. Pepe being a very boring chart. INJ, all right, just so you don't do INJ just because he's spamming it. Sure. You're here every night. Never get a call. Just check INJ. All right. He says here every night. Let's see. Is that true? Is that true? If you're here every night, then yeah. It's very difficult, man, to field. How many we got? 700, 800 viewers. Usually more than that. Very hard to field all of the viewers' requests at once. Although, I don't know. Doesn't say. It might just be slow. Doesn't say that you're here. Just says this time. Channel activity. Ah, are you? The name looks familiar. I don't know. Name looks familiar. Pepe, Fet, Matic. We haven't looked at Matic in a while. Overlay 2021, 2017 candles from the time 2016 to 22. That is a big. Give me a sec for Lotta. Stop the spam. Just super chat. Don't be brokey. True that. True. How dumb are you for holding my ME? What is that? Never heard of it. Are you down a lot? I think that's the answer. If you're down a lot, probably. Let me get these tunes back up. We'll do some more charts. We do have this random thing. Wait, someone else super chatted. We do have this weird thing that YouTube has never shown us before, and randomly today let us do. Oh yeah, yours counted. Hell yeah. Maybe we'll look at it. I don't know what it is. Just never seen it before. YouTube randomly let us do it, so we're doing it. You can super chat $1 and it counts apparently. Turn them tunes up again. There it is. Pepe. What do we got? All right, the guy is INJ. Well, I don't know if you're actually here. It says that you were, but maybe I'm lagging. There, INJ is pulled up. It's gonna get on the queue here. Litecoin. Ooh, Litecoin's looking all right. Go Litecoin, go. That looking okay. MicroStrategy, it's just going to new all-time highs again. I don't know. When does this end? Like, when does it stop going to all-time highs? I don't know. We called the exact top on it, though. 540, 99. 543. Maybe 725. It breaks 540. Let me close this. What does that mean? ETH all-time high coming. All right. Did you miss your small burger weed? What's up, Shrink Tech? What you think about AVAX? All right, let's do this. We have how many of these left to fulfill it? We can do requests until we fill this, I guess. Let me see. I don't think I got yours. Booger weed. What do I think about the peanut lawsuit? I did not see that, my friend. That was 18 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago. Didn't even say anything. Lawsuit. I mean, what is it? What is the lawsuit, right? Who's suing? Who's suing who? Ooh, trade. Trade's so close to entering. Didn't enter yet. Looking at that dollar. Peanut lawsuit. When did it come out? Today? Kind of like during this low period. If it was on the 10th, I would have been a buyer. Sounds like FUD. I mean, who are you gonna sue, right? That's the thing. It's hard to it's hard to go after these people. Peanut chart doesn't look bad. I think you can get $1 to $1.30, like 30% gain. AVAX. I haven't looked at AVAX in a while. Keep smashing the likes. Keep subscribing, guys. It's been a weird day. YouTube doesn't want to show our stream to people. It's weird. Ooh, AVAX hit higher and I didn't even notice. It hit the 50-cent target. Let's go. Or $50 target. It's not target. YouTube does not want to show the stream to people. I don't know what it is, man. How many likes do we have? 426 likes. That's not a bad amount of likes for 762 viewers. I don't know. YouTube just like doesn't want people to get the alpha. Don't want the alpha. I don't know. They're trying to keep it secret. What's up? 𝐂𝐝𝐫𝐍001. How you doing, man? You know, AVAX. I didn't catch this price action. That's a bullish wick. That's bullish AF last week. Unfortunately, we got to go back to the corn. And I don't know why I said unfortunately. Because fortunately, Bitcoin new all-time high again, bros. Let's go. Let us go. Higher. Send it higher. Longer. Faster, stronger. Works it harder, makes it. Do it faster. You know what I'm saying. A little Daft Punk. The pattern never fails. Sure, the trade we like threw up there for a second, didn't play, got stopped out, but this pattern is so fire. I swear, like nothing plays better than this in crypto. Any flat anything, like support being tested over and over again, highs coming down, break. Resistance tested over and over again, highs coming up, lows coming up, break. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's go. Captain Spoish. That's right, my friend. Love Daft Punk. Check your stats. Beer market loyal. And what? Bear market loyal snacks. That rhymes, dude. I don't know. It just didn't update this. It just wouldn't do it. I don't know. I don't know why. Usually I don't miss. Did I pull up INJ? Yeah, I did. We will look at it, but Bitcoin has our attention here right now at a new all-time high. Let's go. Let's go. 110K today, question mark. God damn, dude. It is so wild to me. It's like, where were all the viewers? Why YouTube not showing the stream to anybody? But the calls are so fire. Everything is so fire. Why? Why YouTube? This is the day people need. They need it now. Here we go. 107.5. We are pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. Are we moving to 110,000 today? I don't think it's impossible. I don't think it's impossible, man. Hype for longer it is. What's up, Spanky? Just passed a pet ban in New York. It stops the sale of pets. Okay. Okay. Of all pets? Of Monkey suing Peanut. Who is Monkey? Would I mind looking at Matic Eth or Link Eth? Justin Machek, probably. Probably. For intellectual property rights. But who's suing them? Let me see. Fett, Cardano, yes, yes, yes. Algo, Fett. Magic Eden is suing Peanut? Nick Young, this super chat is towards like, yeah, I don't know. We just saw this today. Like, it's never been there before. So whatever. Clicked it. See what happens. I assumed YouTube would like it if we used the feature that it offered us, but it doesn't seem to care. Bitcoin hitting new all-time highs, literally in real time, right here, right now, at a new all-time high. And look at YouTube. YouTube's like, well, we just don't need to show this to anyone. No one should be here. There's no hype. Bitcoin right now at all-time high. This very second. This picosecond, 107,500 right now. This is history in the making. Come on, Tube. Let's go. I kindly ask anybody out there who has not hit the like button or subscribed, please do so. Pickle, gifting out memberships, my man. Thank you. Hype it up, my friend. Hype it. I ask if you haven't sent a message in the live chat, please do so. Please do that. Help hype up the stream. You can share it out on socials if you have it. I'm gonna give some too. All-time highs, baby. Let's go. Just hype it up. Let's try to get this stream bopping and booping. Let me take a bite of the lunch I never ate because we went live. Short at 108.8. I don't know, man. All-time high. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Rick Ortega's feeling it. Like to thank the Academy. Uh-oh. Red candle. We're on the 1 minute, guys. Careful. This would not be bad. Honestly, even this wouldn't be bad. That would even be good. What's up, Aki Drawl, my friend, helping out the engagement. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. You're my boy, Map of Success. What's up, Screamer? We can look at ADA. We're going to look at ADA, INJ. We got a few charts, but Bitcoin at all-time highs, fam. At all-time high. We're going to have to see it settle down a little bit. CVX, probably can do that. That's the wrong, let's go. That's right, Rigo. Engage the engagement. What's up, Bad Baptist, Isaac John, Sand? We can look at it. We can look at it, guys, but like I said, we have other charts pulled up. But Bitcoin is at all-time highs. Like, it's at all-time highs, bro. We can't look away. Cannot look away. You know what I could do? Maybe I could do this. Maybe it'll crash my computer. We'll see. We'll see. Wonder if I can screen capture. Screen capture. Just the chart. We'll see. No, that's this whole screen. No. I just want the window capture. Window capture. Where's the window? Window capture. Hold up. Hold up. You are tuned in. Bitcoin at all-time highs, fam. Let's go. Let's go. Let us go. I guess it's not doing it. It didn't work. I don't know. It wouldn't work. I tried to make like a little Bitcoin at the bottom, but it didn't want to do that. Actually, I know one more way it would do that. We've been live. Wow, my brain's going a little mushy. A little mushy mush. Little mushy mush. There we go. There it is. There it is. There it is. Hold up. It's like an earthquake on my user interface. Oh no. There we go. Move myself over. There it is. Got a little corn in the window. Now we can move on. Now we can do other charts and still keep an eye on it. Ooh, congrats to the members. Dave Brum, truly deserving. Absolutely deserving. What is it? This is CVX, somebody was saying. I don't even have that one. No. Someone was saying FET, F-E-T. We have INJ. For Mr. Snacks, who claims he's here all the time. I don't know. No, it messed this up. That's so gay. I'm gonna fix this one. I know where it was. Let's go. Bitcoin is like, you can't look away, bro. You can't. Whoa. You can't look away. Bitcoin rocketing right now, hitting that measured move, hitting that target. Let's go. 107,700, and we are still moving 110,000 today? Question mark. Question mark. That's been the question the whole time. The whole stream, forever many hours ago we started. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's go. We started the stream. We put this up. 38% of you thought we were going to 110K. That's what I said. We're going higher. I mean, we're going higher than that. We're going higher than the 120, but I mean, today, or we'll say before like the end of the year, right? Not an indefinite time frame. Throw that out there, and literally every target is on the table. Oh my, let's go. Smash those likes, subscribe, join our fam, hype it up for the spiciest Bitcoin shit we've seen in a long time. Let's be real. This is the spiciest price action we've seen in a long time. I am ready to see her actually rip though. I want to see like a 20% move. I want to see a real all-time high, not this edging, this 1,000 higher, 1% higher, 1% higher, 1% higher. You know what's going to happen. Well, I mean, let's be real. We kind of knew what was going to happen a while ago. This is probably what's going to happen. This is probably what's going to happen. So far, it has been what's happening. But just gonna keep getting these little highs, and we're gonna blast. We're gonna get that satisfying move. We're gonna retrace, and then we're gonna finish off the bull run into 2025. And that's what's gonna happen. Let's look at INJ. INJ. I haven't looked at this in a while. June. Riggedy wrecked over here. Very old trades. Riggedy wrecked. Cool. Cool. Started the downtrend. Began the uptrend. Who here holds INJ? Anybody? I have some. I have no idea what my cost basis is, though. Not a clue. Oh, Bitcoin Black Belt got a membership. OBMan7, Ty Fox, Get Throke, Mr. Token, Bully Divs. There you go, boys. Hell yeah, it's that kind of day. That kind of day. All right. Yeah, like Bitcoin in the corner of my eye, like constantly distracting me. Keep like looking up there. 2780, pretty historical. That was its original all-time high. I don't know if I really count that as support right here, but let's see. Moved into this 25 zone, nice buying pressure. You've got some local resistance on there. 33 on INJ. I think this is a pretty brain dead play. I think that's very, very possible. Very probable that we see 33 bucks again. Let's zoom in. What's up, Scuba Lemur? You know what? I actually got my scuba certification a long time ago. Fun fact. A little TC trivia. Let's see. I think that is a pretty decent play. 27 to 33, 19%. It's not a great risk to reward, to be real. Something like that. I don't love it. But if INJ breaks 35, it's going right back to its all-time high, like very fast. Speaking of all-time highs, Bitcoin flirting now with 108,000 during the live. Let's go. What is this shit? What is this? What is with that? What? Scales. What's happening here? Canvas 20. There we go. That fixed it. FTM. FET. I haven't looked at FET in a while. Let's see. 10 bucks does not look bad though. Zoom in. 150. If you get a shot at 150. That's clean. Like, this is a clean chart. It's just taking really a long time. Like, new all-time high, back test this major resistance as support. Beautiful. Held at 80 cents. We had a trade there at some point too. Wonder if it is still there. There it is. I knew it. I knew my memory did not deceive me. I knew we had a trade from 80 cents. I think this is good, man. I think maybe you could get like a $1.50 entry with your stop below 119, maybe below $1, and depends on your risk tolerance. But no. But we have nailed this bad boy. Wait, did that just disappear again? Yep. Trading View, you just troll me, dude. Like, what is this? I'll do that. Whatever. It's probably lower than the stop was. There we go. Bitcoin back at all-time highs. Let's go. Whoa, that's crazy trippy. 107,800. Let's get it. Come on, give us that satisfying burst. Give us that satisfying rip. Enough of this edging, enough of this blue balls, and it feels like so long ago, but you guys remember this? When we were looking at this during the live and I said, this is such a bullish pattern. This is like one of the most confident patterns in crypto. I'd say like 80% chance of continuation. And then it went on to new all-time highs. I don't know. I was here. I was here for that. God damn, dude. That hour bursting, the 4 hour. Still got time, dude. This, in like an hour and a half, we could be at 109, not 110. Wild. Wild. Here we go. Keep smashing the likes. Every time you subscribe while we're live, you'll see this number roll over in real time. Your name will pop up. I'll shout you out. Very good stuff. Look at that up there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We've been live for a while. Bear with me. I'm trying to keep the energy moving. It's been a bit. Been a lot of all-time highs while we're live. A lot of all-time highs. Many crypto bros streaming now. We've been streaming for hours, Jordan. Why aren't we going down? What? Why would we be going down? Why? One rip away from that next rip. That's so true. Velo, Dave. I was looking at Velo earlier. Will alt pump when Bitcoin dips a bit? I think so. But I think you might have to wait until Q1 of next year. Boom, baby. Get a liquidation off that Queen Glass map. Yeah, my batteries are low. I need some coffee. Actually, maybe I could have coffee delivered here. Hold up. Really what's happening is, dude, YouTube is just treating this stream really weirdly. Nah, it's too complicated. I can't have it delivered. Too complicated. Do this later. You're liking the foreplay? I mean, Matt, everybody likes the little foreplay, but come on, dude. Come on, man. We just want to get to the nutting, all right? Let's get to the big nutting. Let's get it done. We got a good amount of votes on that poll. Should we make another poll? I don't know. Keep voting in it. Keep hitting the likes. Hello. Hello, David Brum. Tom Powell. Tom Crown. Nose. Crown Analysis. Trump Pump. Like, share, subscribe. Click the notifications bell. Bitcoin at all-time high and ripping to the upside. Tom Crown, bring the sauce. Giggity, giggity, giggity. I love you, Dave Brum. How you doing, bro? Thank you, my friend. Someone bring me coffee. Your daddy has 30 million in Bitcoin. Eva, I need to make sure you're not like a child. Your picture is a child. Well, have him adopt me. There we go. Poll for Litecoin. It's not a popular poll, bro. Triangle tool. Explain how you use it for entries. Maybe. Can we look at link? I'm probably not going to do much like educationing right now. Been live a few hours. How many hours? I don't know anymore. Been live a few hours. That's like fresh start. Fresh stream start kind of stuff. Like feeling the energy. Vibing. Yeah. Let's see. Like it too. Maybe. I don't like this trade either. I don't like any of these trades, man. It's crazy. When something's at all-time high, it's like difficult to get a position, right? It's almost as if you need to have planned ahead, to have thought ahead, to have been ready for a price move before it happens. I know it's a crazy concept. We would love to help you with that. We can help you on the Discord. We're also starting up an educational group where you can get all kinds of educations. It's coming very soon. It hasn't officially launched yet. God, FET looks so good though. It's just slow. I haven't checked in on this in forever. Close. Oh, I do need more caffeine. No, Ethereum is coming to liquidate me. I opened a short on BYDFI and it is absolutely gunning for that money. Oh my goodness. Now down 23%. Liquidation at 4,191. I opened it at like 4,001. Oh my. Pray for me. Pray for me. What's up, Nathan Roberts? I see you, brother. How are you? Hopefully you're making money on Ethereum, not losing it. God damn, this projection. So spot on. So spot on. Let's go. Did we look at Chainlink? I don't know if we did. Pull it up. I'm just like in the point now where I'm waiting for new all-time highs. I'm waiting for this big move to happen. Nice, Link. All right, Link. It's definitely looking stronger into this month. Into this close. Ooh, into this week. Let's go. Let's absolutely go. Hit 30 bucks as a target. I guess I hit it a few days in a row. Kind of consolidating below resistance. Maybe get a move back to 25. Even if you do, I feel like if you get a move back to 25, you're still going to 38. 38 definitely still a target. And remember with Link, if you can get through 38, you're back at your all-time high. Like if you can break it and hold 38, there's very little above you. I would argue there is almost no resistance above 38. So 38 is really the boss. The number to be looking at. I just closed that chart accidentally. The number to be looking at, the big boss. I didn't mean to close it. Little uncoordinated. I saw someone subscribe. I saw this number roll over. What's up? Their name didn't pop up. If you're here, let us know though. Say hello. Especially if you're new in the chat. We've been live on YouTube for almost 6 years. Teaching the good stuff. That's why we have the best community. That's why we have all these awesome people here today. We've helped them, many of them, get through crypto to be successful. We want to help you be successful. If you're new in crypto, you found the right spot. We're not for sale. Unlike almost every other channel, we're not for sale. Can we only get one crispy? Let's see. I haven't looked at one in a long time. I got some one, but what a shitter. Oh, we haven't looked at this in a long time. Maybe we should have, because we filled out a penny up 300, nice 200% there. These ones got riggedy wrecked, but that's okay. Let's go. Let's go. 2.2. Broken resistance untested as support. Battling up here with your March high. I think one is going to tap that 6-cent target. I don't know if it'll be this month, but I think one is looking for that 6.6 cent target. I definitely have some one, and I will be taking some profit right there. If you close below 3.2 cents, so March's high, if resistance rejects this close, looking for a bounce at 2.2. You can see something like that. Damn, this shit hit 5 cents. Where were we? Where was I during this? That was like this month? Right. All right. People say alts aren't doing anything. All right. Seems to be working. Alts are alting. Oh, God, Ethereum. I should change the title to Watch Me Get Liquidated. Watch me get liquidated live on stream, baby. You're drawing mountains? Good. ETH is slow. Any reason, sir? Probably because I shorted it. It's getting ready to liquidate me. You left your one somewhere? Yeah, I'm not sure where mine are. I'm in somewhere. Coke, I'll bite you. Hey, even no biting. But you should like and subscribe or get wrecked, to be honest. Crispy, got you. There's your one. Alex Wells, what's up, bro? Whipped cream? Cable ties. Very kinky of you. You didn't search it, it came on your channel? Sure. She came for the gun show. What's up, AC? XRP extremely disappointing. I mean, it rallied hundreds of percents. Hundreds. Just like not going up this minute, disappointing. I think it's very satisfying if you had XRP for the last many years. Ethereum coming to liquidate me. I can feel it in my fingers and I can feel it in my bones. 4,191, just under 4,200 is my liquidation on BYDFI. No KYC exchange. Oh God. Oh God. Am I getting liquidated? You know what? Let's end this poll. Let's ask if I'm getting liquidated. Let's see what you guys think. I kind of think so. Liquidation watch. That's right. There you go. There you go. Let me know, guys. I want to know. I'm not closing it. This is getting liquidated, or it's closing in profit. Nothing in between. No grounds in between. Also known as really bad trading. Just really bad, lacking risk management trading. Maybe an example of what not to do even. Maybe an example of what to do though would be this Bitcoin margin long that I have open still from 96,000. Much bigger than the Ethereum short. Only up 55%. However, that 55% is 0.53 Bitcoin or about 6 grand. Haven't taken any profit on that one yet. Probably should shave some of that at 110, shouldn't I? 110 and 120. Stick to the plan. Probably right. Probably right. Instead, I think I'll just play the most devilish advocates and just close more of my USDT long because I'm greedy. I'm being greedy. You're seeing this in real time. Use that to your advantage. Know that I'm being greedy. I can feel it. There's like nothing left of this long though. Rip. There's so little left. What am I gonna do? Like close 1,000? Close 1,000 of it, and it's like, for what? Like 1/10 of this, $300 maybe. 20. I'm gonna close 5,000 at 120. There we go. I'll just close the whole freaking position at 130. I'll leave 1,000 open just for flexing. There it is. There it is. That may be the end of this beautiful long. This one up 450%. Let's go. 3,500 unrealized, 5.5 thousand realized profit. So I don't like trade poorly all the time. Oh my God, Ethereum, go back down. Oh my God, I'm getting liquidated. Oh my God, I'm getting liquidated. Oh, it's coming for me. I can feel it in my fingers. What's up, Mar with the $1 super chat? Thank you. I see you're helping us get to this goal. I don't know what this does. I don't know why it's there, but YouTube prompted me to do it today. Who shorts in the bull? I mean, clearly you gotta have shorts if you want longs, man. You can't open a long position with nobody shorting. I am very net long though, as I just showed you. Very net long. This is a $50,000. This is $10,000 of Bitcoin margin. This is very long. The short is like 500 USD. If that liquidates, it sucks, but whatever. This is 11,000 USDT still open. Like, I'm very net long. If anything, the Ethereum short was kind of just me being snarky. I don't know. I just wanted to do it. We'll see. It's not liquidated yet, so. Anyone in on bonk? Oh boy. Oh bonky. What about bonk? Bonk it. I will have to grab some to drink. My throat's getting sore. We still have 800 live viewers. We've been live for a long time. Impressive. Welcome. Especially welcome to the new viewers if you're out there. I don't know if I believe in you, but welcome. I don't believe that you're here. I mean, YouTube's hiding our streams today. Make sure you're liked and subscribed to combat that. But it's not showing it. I don't know. I don't know, man. It's the spiciest day in like 2 weeks, I think. And our viewership is just not even, it's not even what it normally is. I don't know. It's okay. We got the best people. Casper's live, that's good. Carl the Moon's live, Mitch Ray's live. Yeah, dude, I guess also because we've been live for so long, we're at like the bottom of the streaming list. It's okay. We got Bong pulled up here, it's at entry. I'm looking for higher highs on Bong, baby. Let's go. If this gets stopped out, be looking down at 25. But I think you have a new all-time high coming for Bonk. Tom hates Jerry. That's true. That's true. You know, as a kid, I was always trolled because I wanted to be Jerry, but my name was Tom. Because I liked the mouse better. I was trolled by it. Probably just like, probably just recovering from that as an adult now, you know. Closing Pepe. Pepe is going to all-time highs again too. They all just need a little time to cook. Let them cook. Let all these charts cook, boys. My new computer from NZXT that I ordered is supposed to be here. It's still not here. Still not here. They said it'll be here the 18th and 19th. We'll see. If it's not here the 19th, I'm charging it back on my credit card. It's an expensive ass computer and they just botched the delivery. What the hell? Like, spend all this money with you and like, he's going to tell me the wrong delivery dates and you're not going to give me delivery dates. You're going to be like, we don't know. What do you mean you don't know? Then who knows? You guys are the ones doing it. How can you not know? That's madness. It's absolute madness. Whatever, I'm ranting. Dominance rallying, USD on Bitcoin rallying, although maybe slowing down here. I don't know, maybe a little slowdown. We've had a lot of explosive upside move. A lot of upside move, man. This is 5 hours now. Total gain, 4%. Not as big as it felt. But 5 hours of upside green, very little retracing. We are in the bull market, fam. I don't know who lied to you, told you otherwise. We have been in the bull market for a very long time. A very long time. Let me see how long. 351 days. No. No, do not open shit. I hate that on Windows, when you type stuff in, it tries to like search the internet. That is the dumbest feature I've never wanted, ever. It is day 716, calling the Bitcoin bull run. Holy shit. Can hardly believe it's been that long. Let's tweet it. The Bitcoin bull run. Let's go. Here we go. Tweeting it. It's day 716. If you want to know when day one was, it was just January 1st, 2023. That's right. 2023, January 1st. We started calling it. We opened longs, said bottoms in, boys, and we never looked back. It never looked back. Bottom was in. Here's the tweet if you guys want to interact with it on Twitter. Oh God, I think it's still so bully. So bully. Go, 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 go. That's right, lasers. Let's go, 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 go. Sorry, Tom. Why are you sorry, Stevo? What's up, Earlwood, PUBG, 𝐒𝐴LCHEMICS? We're chilling a little bit here. Damn, we actually got 10 out of 15 super chats. I kind of hate this feature because it's so needy and like chilly. It's like, oh, somebody super chat so we can get to the goal. I don't like that. But I don't know. We just put it on because YouTube showed it to us for the first time today. I don't think it does anything. I'm impressed we got to 10. Hell yeah. What's up, Schmeedy Pickle? You're so baked. Oh, I'm going to get so baked after this. Oh God, please Bitcoin, when I do end the stream, do not continue going up because I'm going to get roll baked and I don't want to have to come back on really baked. I don't ever come on the stream baked. I'm not good at stuff when I'm baked. By the way, Bitcoin dominance bottomed out and is gaining ground. Greg Savchuk, I assume you were not here earlier, but that's been a big point of today's analysis. Good eye, my friend, Greg. You have a good eye. People were very convinced the top was in for dominance. Dominance is saying, don't fade me yet. Closed bullish engulfing on Sunday. We are seeing it continue higher as Bitcoin pushes new all-time highs. Ooh, the pain may not be over for the dominance. It may not be over. Oh, man. Damn, Pickle, how long is this stream? You don't have to keep time stamping, by the way. Am I getting liquidated on Ethereum? And NZXT's into some sketchy shit? Well, apparently Cosmic Constructs. Apparently. Because I don't have my goddamn computer that I ordered from them at the beginning of this month, like December 1st. December 1st? It's been like 2 weeks and a day. Maybe it's been 2 weeks exactly. I don't care if it takes 2 weeks, but don't tell me 1 week and then not give me any updates and then be like, the 19th? Like, that just pisses me off, right? It's pissed me off. Liquidation 4,191 on my Ethereum short. Come watch me lose money. But thank you, Cosmic. I guess I won't order from them again because their customer service has been shit. Absolute shit. What's up, Rigo? As long as Bitcoin is going, you don't need to be coherent. True. To have a good stream. True. But I prefer to be. Ooh, low red candle. Here comes a spooky candle. Are you ready for the spooky? The spooker. What do you think? Right back here. 107. 107, 170 right here. If we're lucky. Oh yeah. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Right there to that 618. Right to the top of the trend. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, let's not make the same mistake. I want to do it here, but I just like know it's going to get stopped if I take it right there. Even though it's the 618. Even though it's the resistance. Like, I just like know it's going to get stopped. Son of a bitch. Like this. Remember, guys, do not blindly copy what I do. Here you go. There. That's much safer. $3.41. Probably can bring that down a little bit. These are just theories, concepts, ways you might or I might approach trading. They are not meant to be copied in real time and traded. Though sometimes it will work out. I don't want to be responsible for you, and I'm not responsible. You take that on yourself if you do that. But I don't know. I don't want to hear your sad stories if you lose money. I just copied your trade. Don't do that. I tell you guys not to do that. Don't do that. I have no sympathy. Like, I can't stop you. So you can do it if you want. I can't stop you. But like, that's on you. I don't win them all. Sometimes I change them. In the middle of the night, I wake up and I'm like, I don't like my plan anymore. You won't be there for that. You won't hear it. You won't change it. It'll be too late. All right. Holy shit. I asked Pickle for a time check and I did not read the chat at all. What did he say? Pickle, did you say anything? My voice is telling me it's like time to be done. Pickle's also very baked, so he might not know. What? 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 How's liquidation watch going? Oh, we're cutting it close. 2 hours and 10 minutes. Thank you, sir. XMR pumped. Yes, I was going to look at Monero. I said it. And then I didn't say anything after. I said Monero. I've been distracted. Lots of all-time highs. You've been live for just under 30 minutes. Thank you, Randy. I guess I am. Just under 30 minutes. XMR. Long story short, XMR. Really the last time I talked about it. Actually, let's start with this. I love XMR. XMR is equal on my list of coins I like to Litecoin. Litecoin, XMR, Dogecoin. They're all like number 2 to Bitcoin. We don't talk about it as much because, well, let's be real. Monero, like Litecoin, hasn't done a lot over the last few years. However, Monero has begun to be delisted from places. In fact, it was delisted from Binance back in, I think, January of 2024 of this year. Who remembers? I bought the shit out of that. Tweeted about it right away, and people were like, you're crazy. Well, not so crazy now. I think I bought at 105. It's now at 213. Over 100%. Not bad. From February of this year. Not bad. Not bad at all. This chart's looking very good, though. Higher high after this crazy wick. Let's go to the month. Beautiful. Let us repaint this, for it does not fit our narrative. There we go. I really do think this is what we're looking at. I think we see a XMR. I think we see Monero go back to $500. From there, maybe you pull back to 270, maybe 250. Right? These are both potentials, and this doesn't even have to happen. The idea is higher low, retest it, make that measured move. I think this is what's going to happen over the course of the next year. You may ignore it altogether, make the move up, break through all-time high, may not pull back at all. But if you do see a move to 500, likely I'll trim a little bit of profit and I'll look to re-enter that at 250 if it comes. And if not, I'll still have, I don't know, like 90% of my bag to ride up higher. Take a little profit, let it go. This chart looks bonkers. In the shorter term, if we see 250 or 275 reject price, maybe we come back down. Maybe we get a higher low here, right? Maybe go 170. Maybe we do this. That would not look crazy. That would look very clean. Monero is definitely showing strength. I've never seen it show. Just waiting on Litecoin to do the same. Oh man, my throat. My throat. Check out BTC. We did a bunch, Justin. We did a bunch today. Oh, 4,100. Only 100. I may have already been liquidated. Okay. All right, Justin. So you're saying you got this bounced. It bounced. Here's my worry, though. That's my worry. Is that you reject here another lower high on a flat bottom and you dump. This is the only reason for the short. I'm not like bearish on Ethereum. I don't think it's as strong as Bitcoin or some others right now. I get liquidated? No. That's good. Can I have the chart back up, please? I have to refresh. That's really the reason. It's just, I'm not convinced. I guess there's no chart. I'm not convinced that it's going to break its high of this year yet. I'm not convinced that, crap. I'm not convinced that it's going to 4,200. I'm probably going to be wrong. I hope I'm wrong. I like being bullish. I don't like being bearish. That's not loading. Why is that not loading? I don't know. We're damn close. We're damn close, though. Holy shit. I can taste the liquidation. That position now down 46%, about 250 bucks. Yikes. Bitcoin, on the other hand, making a very clean retracement here. Very, very zoomed in on the 5-minute. Very clean retracement. I want to say exactly as predicted. From our high, 107.8, down to our local resistance being tested as support. That's also our 618, or our golden Fibonacci retracement. Some nice confluence here. I will warn everyone, because right now it's like at the entry. I will warn everyone that this kind of clean move I have not seen really play out on the way up so far. I placed this and I said, man, I feel like if I place this, it's gonna get stopped, because we just haven't been seeing those clean retracements, those clean back tests. It's the opposite. It's like very chaotic, very bouncy, no real clean moving backs. Yeah, here we go. I didn't take this one. This might be another wrecked, man. You hate blowers? Yeah, I hate them. Punk. I haven't looked at Punk. I wanted to look at Punk. Let's let Bitcoin brew there for a moment. And I'll look at Punk for a second. Punk. Punk! Go to all-time high already, you son of a bitch. Let's see. We gotta update this chart. Okay. All-time high last month. What's going on with this monthly candle, though? I guess it hasn't broken the low. Random. Very random. But what Punk needs to do here, so all-time high, lower low, kind of an odd setup. All-time high, here's what it needs. It needs a higher low here. The higher low could be anywhere. It's kind of a knife. I don't know where I'd even look at the moment for the Punk. Around here, maybe 41 down to 35. So here's what it needs. It needs the higher low. And actually, I'm going to add that back. Higher low. Let's just call it the 618 for ease. And I'm not exactly calling this number, but for ease. And then it needs to move back to that all-time high. Ready? When we invert the chart, I think that becomes a little easier to see. We'll have a left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder, and a break. I think the higher low here is its path to new all-time high. I think it's coming. I don't know though. This is just kind of a number I picked for the bounce. It could be anywhere. It could be as low as 30, 28 cents. Really, as long as it doesn't trade under 20. You break that, I don't know, you're looking for $1.50. You're looking for a big ass move. $1 easy. $1.50 easy if you break if you hold any kind of low here and you move up. Just like that. Ponke. My ponke tonk. Ooh, Bitcoin, maybe. Oh no. Maybe. Son of a bitch. Get up there. Get up there. New hour started. Wow, we have seen so many new hours start. Holy shit, boys. Alts are liking it. Good. Are they? Yeah, a little bit over the last 3 hours. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I don't like this onto the new hour. Oh well. Don't like that onto the new hour. 106.5. Let's see. These candles getting smaller and smaller on the hour. We were talking about that concept earlier. On the day, smaller and smaller, showing momentum waning. That can always pick back up, but for now, we don't see it. Maybe looking for its very first retracement for these new highs. I kind of hate the position that we placed. That's okay. Didn't see this hour. This, give me a little bit though. Kind of like this better. 105 would be sexy. I'll see. I'm probably getting ahead of myself. That would be a nice. This would be nice, but I just don't. I think if it's coming, it'll be a bad trade by the time it fills. I'll leave it like that. Potentially 2 hot streak damaging trades slapped on there. The other one's somewhere. I don't know where it went. Ooh. Warned ya. Come on. There it is. This one. Let's see, Ethereum. You dropping? Yes. Yes. Fuck you, Ethereum. Go down. We didn't get liquidated. Let's go. I mean, we certainly are in the water, man. The dog water here is down, but we didn't get liquidated. We hold on for another day. Let's go. 𝐂𝐴𝐷, how you doing, brother? Ethereum hitting 4,100, just shy of liquidating us live. Hooey, hooey, hooey. Bitcoin having some down as well here, really punishing this this position, really punishing it. Saved by the bell, ding ding. That's right. Ding ding, mother truckers. Yeesh. Yeesh. You know, I feel like this should just be like that. You know, I know it's gonna happen. This is what's gonna happen. It's gonna do this, and then it's gonna go up. It's gonna stop us out. Yep, there it is. You know, stop us out, and then it's gonna go up. Where was the stop originally? Doesn't matter where it was, it's still hit. Riggedy wrecked. Now it can go up. At least we moved the stop up a little bit there. Did we though? Where was it? Hold up. Someone is honking outside. You can get fucked, bud. Wait, what? What's happening here? I'm like even confused as to what's happening here. There we go. I guess that was the original. No, I edited it. I edited it. Either way, getting riggedy wrecked there. Woof. Yeesh, the first spice. The first spice of the up. Let's go. Finally getting a volatile candle here, even though it's been very nice, very spicy. We just got stopped out so we can go up now. Even though it's been very spicy and very fun, the volatility has been very low. This climb up has not had a lot of moves up and down. This is the first kind of real volatility that we are seeing in the entire stream. We saw little bounces kind of in a range. This is the first pulling back of that bowstring. and I like it. It's actually getting spicy, and of course, man, my throat is cooked. Absolutely cooked, just like that long position. It did, though, absolutely maybe save my Ethereum trade. I'll take that. 4,100. Stopped and continue. Liquidity grab, probably. Yeah, that's probably it, dude. That it stopped us out. It did. That does look like a liquidity grab, man. It went right there. Right there below 165. 1065. Tale as old as time. If it holds here into the hour, that's a beautiful back test of 1065. And looking for higher highs, man. I still think we're moving 110K. Like, the timing is the hardest part. Like, is it today? I don't know. Is it this month? I think yes. I think absolutely yes. Either way, we're going to be live probably again tomorrow. We're live here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, guaranteed at 1 p.m. East. We have Xrp Hbar, or the FOMC, the biggest FOMC of our lives on Wednesday. We'll almost certainly be live again tomorrow also. You should join us. You should join the Discord. You should check out the links in the video description below. We are starting a new educational group. It's launching. It's like soft launched. It's going to be the best in the biz. We're going to offer the best education that exists in crypto. We're working on it. It's coming together quick. Ugh. Xrp Hbar, that's right. At Xrp Hbar. Brothers, you know what I'm saying, Randy Greer. I love you, brothers. My voice is dying. We're going to be live again tomorrow. Make sure you're subscribed. Alerts on in the Discord. Join us again tomorrow for more spice. If we break to 110K, we'll be live again tonight. But that's it for now. I love you guys. I'll see you in the Discord. A crown out.